Good afternoon, everybody. This is Ashley from SoSHELL returning. I am going to teach you how to naturally make your shells shine today in this tutorial. Now today I have 3 sample shells out for you, baby oil and a brush. So basically this baby oil is just something I picked up from the grocery store. It's just plain oil. You can use mineral oil. I think it's the same thing actually. So you just need this. You can use a brush, a Q-tip. You can use your fingers, anything of sorts like that. Now, what I like to do is I like to pour some out. And you don't need a lot. And I'm going to move these aside. You're going to take your brush, dip it into the mineral oil, and then just paint over your shell. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. And then I like to do the back side as well. Using a brush is the easiest way because you cover ground way faster. And then once you do that, you just want to grab a washcloth or a white rag, and you just want to rub off the oil. You're basically getting off any excess oil. And there you go. So it's still shiny, but it's not greasy. So that you're not gonna get on your clothes or on your furniture or anything like that. Next up, it says calorie. I have already cleaned these shells. When I collect them, these 3 shells, I wash them with Dawn detergent, soap and water, and then I actually dip them all in acid, muriatic acid, to get rid of the calcium buildup. And if you want to see how I do both of those, I do have videos listed. The acid videos are really fun to watch. Okay. Grab your washcloth. Perfect. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Okay, next up is the lightning whelk. Okay. Done. Look at that. That's great. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to know more about shells and other tutorials and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel and look through. I enjoy teaching you guys new methods every day and how to do stuff. Please give this a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My handle is Florida_shelling. Thanks, guys.